wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Buama Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back. Welcome back, viewers. Okay, welcome to my studio, Lemon.
Thank you.
Your name Lemon. Is it the lemon and Katredi in tree or what?
It's lemon. Oh, lemon. Okay, for me, the lemon is really akutu. Do you know akutu?
Orange.
No, there's a difference between akutu and orange. Okay, let me tell you the basis of my name. I had this name from SHS. I offered literature, and because I was very good at literature, I divided my name into two. The name is Philemon, but literature-wise, the name is Philemon.
Your name is Philemon,
but literature-wise, the name is
okay.
Literature-wise, the name is Philemon. So I divided it into two: Phile and Lemon. The Phile is for the boys. Okay, so it's only ladies that call me Lemon.
So you two are girls.
I'm not girls, but you will get back to that. Ladies.
So you are girls president. What is the difference between you and girls?
Okay, for
you, girls president,
and president.
You are using the lemon for the girls.
I am okay. It's like ladies feel me. Yeah, way back in I was very popular.
They feel you.
Yes.
Like feeling in which form?
Let me see. Feeling, bam, every feeling you feel. You understand? That's the thing. Cause how I put myself across, even the kind of language I used to speak way back in school, it made them love me a lot.
So you are talented. Everybody's had this.
Yeah, we can see that.
Okay, so when we say lemon, who is Lemon?
Lemon.
Apart from you describing the meaning of that name, who is Lemon himself?
Okay, Lemon is a youth. He's a boy, and he's a native of Mount Mountain. He grew up with a single parent. That's his daddy. Cause I don't want to talk about that. Yeah, we'll talk about that one later.
Daddy.
Yes.
You only grew up with your daddy.
Yes.
So you are Dada.
I'm Dada.
I'm also called Dada.
You also called Dada.
Yes.
So that means we have kind of connection.
Yes.
Okay, we'll talk about that one later. That will be after this.
How did you get to Halfring Films?
Halfring Films. Sims Kobna. I'm the producer. He's my friend. Yeah, our director. He became my friend when I went to his shop to take some photo shoots.
So it is through Sims that you get to.
Yes, we became very close. When I finished the shoots, I paid him, alright. But within me, I felt that he has cheated me.
Oh,
because yes, the number of pictures I took shouldn't have taken me such a huge amount of money. So to cut everything short, I went home and
director, keep on waiting for me. Imagine it's lemon.
And that you must take the money for me. Yeah. So when I went home, he sent me some short clips, YouTube. So I visited the page and I was like, oh wow, he's very good. So I would want to join him one day if only I get a chance. So I saw him post on his stats that they need male actors. They are recruiting male actors. So I opted for it and he never neglected me. He accepted me. He was like, you can join us.
How was your first experience sitting behind the camera?
My first experience. Okay, I've been an actor way back in the SHS, but that one was on stage without camera. So I had many experiences.
So audience will be sitting there?
Yes. So my first day standing behind the camera, I saw the camera as the audience. Although I felt a bit shy or a bit afraid, but it was normal. Let me say it that way.
But to be frank, let's say this. Sims is a very young guy.
Yeah.
Young can say like but he's having that knowledge and the skills of training people to become who they want to be in future. Isn't it that good?
It's very
because in this modern Ghana, this era, no teenage person will even think of doing such a thing or maybe so the Nigerian person, let's do this. You see?
Yeah, for that one.
In GK we have something we called what's the name?
You said GK.
Yeah,
General Knowledge. So you were a visual art student.
Yes. Okay. I've forgotten the name. You see, like someone has done something, so you are bringing it to a new
existence. Creation.
Yes, okay. That's creation.
The term creation.
Yes, creation. So that's very good.
Yeah, he's very good.
You should keep on helping the youth so that our maybe younger sisters and brothers to come and also sit down and say, oh, acting or doing something is not a bad thing. Since people are thinking acting is very bad, maybe because of what they see people doing in the television and whatever. Okay. So, what do you like about your character?
My character Lemon. I like a lot about him and I love him because
the role you play is perfect.
In that series, my character portrays something I can't do in reality. Something like frowning my face. I'm a type. I like laughing. Frown your face. Right now, I can't frown until.
Frown your face. Your audience are going to frown your face. So is that
you see, I'm not frowning.
Into both.
Yes, that's me. So being in this act, in this series, they taught me a lot, and you could see from the series that I gave a very gem face and a frown one.
So you see this part. Immediately, our director, since he was round, it seems someone was after him. When you were holding your 5-star, he hates you. Then you fall. At that moment,
last, to be honest with you.
At the end, you there. You feel you are enjoying it. Then you can what's that for say? What's it there?
All the same.
Yeah. It's all the same.
That's it.
How did you feel at that time?
Okay, at that time, if it were to be in a reality, I wouldn't have been angry. Because my normal life, I don't get angry.
You don't get angry?
Yeah, but on set, I had to become angry. So I was very angry with them. Maybe using the last to go for this thing. And at that time, I was going to visit my babe. See that thing?
Okay.
So probably it would have given me strength. 5-star at my wedding.
Yes.
You get that? Yes, that is the thing.
I don't talk much.
Me too, I don't talk plenty.
Who is your role model?
My role model? Okay, to be honest, when I say my role model, people out there will laugh. And some will be like, oh, it's very annoying to take this guy as your role model. He's called Bona Elvis Jumo. Elvis Jumo. Yes, he's a young guy, barely 21 years.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Wherever you are, we love you so much, Bona Elvis.
Yes, Elvis, wherever you are, I know you are listening to me and I like you a lot because the way this guy puts himself across, to be honest with you.
Very simple.
Any lady on this earth will fall for that guy.
To be
honest with you. There was a time I had this dream that if I'll be walking around town, I would want ladies to be falling down, just seeing my looks. And the guy is very handsome.
So since you started acting this movie, what comment did you get from your family, your friend, even when you were in school?
When I was in school. Okay, when I started, my friends tried to pull me down. They were like, Charlie, stop, this thing, no good. Yes. But I know what I have within me. I'm a musician, an actor, and a songwriter.
I am who I am because.
No, let's drop the gospel aspect for now. I'm going to sing for you.
Really?
Yeah, don't worry.
Hey!
I had this one, this song, I wrote it for my ex.
Your ex? Okay, I want to hear them.
You want to hear it?
Yes.
Okay, so it goes like this.
Should I dance?
You can dance.
Okay.
My feel, and energy, brother, so me way. Or buy him, I'm in same shape, me move. Me donation fit tie, and ya dear be do against for who you don't know what to move. You go put our enemies to share. When you mother do up and be sa quelly, and you're the kind of material when you tell it with your family, Jimmy, me, okay.
Hey!
Yeah.
I'm what Jimmy.
From Jimmy,
no other more. Hey!
Yes.
Into your shows for better for worse,
for better for worse, for now, to be honest with you, I went.
Won't be for better for worse, but what's in your to you?
Yeah.
What's on for Jimmy? And then I say for better for worse,
music literally means deceiving someone. For my aspect.
It's all that. Yes, I know this, I know that. Yes, I for later.
For later, there, we can move along.
Hey!
I have music for that one, what you said. Yes. Don't worry, I have plenty music in the room.
What advice are you going to give today?
The youths. The youths nowadays, they are being, let's say, forced, okay, to do what they aren't supposed to do because of pressure from others. You see that? So I'll advise the youth that they shouldn't let people's pressure fall on their neck. They should be who they are.
So now are you having a girlfriend?
A girlfriend. This question is.
But you have time to write a music for your ex.
Yes.
What about your girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend now.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yes. To be honest, I don't want to be in a relationship again because my last relationship I nearly died.
You nearly died?
Yes, I was sent to the hospital to spend about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Out of broken
Only broken heart. No telephone in your area.
It was like this. Nurse was checking the veins close.
Miss Alpha me. First, Miss telephone in your area.
They are.
Come back home, come on.
Come on, they did.
Don't mind them.
No.
Why?
Really?
Me what it now?
Oh, no. Okay, I told someone never go.
Me no.
Sana.
But before you go, but if you are not having a girlfriend, you still have some people out there who like lemon.
Yeah.
Also known as Philemon.
Philemon.
Yes. So say shout out to them.
Shout outs. Okay, not neglecting. The first person I would want to say shout outs to is my spiritual father, Apostle Emmanuel Kibot. Wherever he is, God bless him, because he has been of great help to me. And also have this group we call Container Money. Yeah, we have 5 boys. The Pakistan. We have 5 boys in the group.
My location.
That was squad.
It's not the police station or
Natura.
I don't know what they mean.
Police station Natura. 2 face. Westgate, Bernard, Mellington, and Nkrumah. They are all in the same group.
Okay.
Shout outs to them. And also shout outs to my best role model, Elvis Jumo.
Okay.
Yes. And
Elvis again.
Yeah, the last one, not forgetting my dad and mom.
Mommy and dad, we love you so much.
For bringing such a handsome guy.
Thank you.
I forgot my elder brother, Oxygen.
Yeah. Now this is in the hospital now.
Debbie.
Hey, now Oxygen.
You can do it in your friend Oxygen.
And the bush and Mashadan. You are called Lemon. And he is Oxygen. Oh, that's good. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Okay.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Half-Rain Friends, and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe, and even add comment to it, because there are more to come, and this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.